Introducing the new generation of IKAWA IK-TAC750 professional fly trap, engineered for performance and reliability. The all-new IK-TAC750 is the ideal solution for large food processing plants, commercial spaces, warehouses, and industrial facilities. Inside the box, you'll find one fly trap unit, 2 light tubes, 1 pack of screws and wall plugs, 1 power cable, and 1 glue board. Insert the light tubes into the holders and twist them into place. Peel off the protective film from the glue board and insert it. The TAC750 features a sleek new design with an upgraded glue board replacement system, making maintenance faster and more convenient than ever. Once powered on, the unit immediately gets to work, offering silent, chemical-free, and highly effective fly control. For more information or to place an order, contact us today.